Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to change IP address on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you need to search the CMD on your search bar. Just type on the CMD and right click, then run as administrator. Then what you need to do, you need to type ipconfig to find out your IP address like this. As you can see, here is my IP address, which is 192.168.0.126. This is my IP address. So we need to change the IP address. So let's just go to the settings real quick. Just type on the settings, go to the settings. All right. After that, you need to go to the network and internet option from here. Then go to the advanced network settings. Here you will find Ethernet option. You need to hold this option to find out this more adapter option. All right, then you need to tap on the edit. Then you will find option internet protocol version 4 IPv4. You need to tap on this option. First of all, you need to ensure that this is on tick mark, then click on it, then go to the properties. All right, then tap this option, use the following IP address. Just tap on this option and you need to type the first letters from this IP address like 192.168.0. So let's just type 192.168.0. Then you need to change this last option. All right, last option, like I have 126, I will change it like 126 to 50. All right, then you need to select this option like this. You need to type 255 three times and last one is the 0. All right, then the default gateway we need to type the same as well from this, like 192.168.0 and 1. All right, so let's try 192.168.0 and lastly the 1. Then on the preferred DNS server, you need to type 8, 8, 8, and 8. Then alternate DNS server, you need to type 8, 8, 4, and lastly the 4. Then hit on OK and close it. All right. Now our IP address has been changed. So let me just clear by showing you right away. All right. So let's just type ipconfig again to find out our DNS server. So as you can see, previously my IP address was 192.168.0.126 and now it has been changed to 192.168.0.50, what we have right on my settings. So that's it for today, guys. If this video helps you out, please do like, share, and never forget to subscribe this channel. Have a great day.